Hello everyone, welcome back to Ruthi Studios and Ruthi here. So this is the new WIPRO Smart Bulb. This bulb has a lot of features embedded inside it. Today we will see the unboxing of this one, see the contents present inside the bulb, and we also configure a smartphone application into an Android phone and control this bulb using that smartphone. Let's get started.
So guys, I have the box here in my hand, and this one is a WIPRO Smart Bulb with 9 watts, and hence it is shown as 9 watts on the box. This is also available in different wattages like 9, 12, etc. and the cost of this bulb varies depending upon the wattage of the bulb. Let's see the external elements printed on the box before going inside. On one side, all the highlighted features present in this bulb are listed, among which the first one is the RGB colors, which means this bulb can glow in any color from among the 16 million colors available. The bulb also has the feature of white tuning, which means you can change the white color temperature to cold or hot based on your mood or requirement. There is also an option to connect the bulb to Alexa and control it using voice commands. And the final one is you can schedule a timer to make the bulb on or off. So these are the highlighted features in the bulb, and we will see each of them in action once we configure the bulb with mobile application. And coming to the other side, we have some labels like price, manufacturing date, unit, etc and stuff. And coming to the price of the bulb, I got it for 599 rupees, and that too during the Big Billion Days sale. If you are purchasing this one during the normal days where there are no offers, the cost may vary for you. Okay guys, that's enough of the exterior look. Now it's time to open it up and see what all we have inside along with the bulb. The packaging looks similar to a normal bulb which we buy, and it doesn't look like a smart bulb kind of packaging. Okay, anyhow, let's see. As soon as I open it directly, I see the bulb without any protection. I don't know if everybody gets the same way because we need to be very careful about these items. And along with the bulb, we also have some of the manuals which shows us about how to download, install the Wipro Smart Home app to configure the bulb, or connecting it to Alexa devices to control it through voices. So these are the only two things which we will get along with this bulb, and let's go ahead by installing the application in my smartphone and control the bulb. Guys, I have connected my bulb to one of the plug here and did a little setup to place my mobile next to the bulb, so that you can see both the bulb and the mobile at the same time when I am doing some configuration on the phone for the bulb. So first of all, we need to install the Wipro Smart Home application in the mobile to connect to the bulb. For this, just go to Play Store if you are using an Android phone and search for Wipro Smart Home application. You will see an application with the name Wipro Next Smart Home. Install the application into your mobile by clicking on Install button. This may take some time depending upon the mobile and the internet connection. So once the app is installed, we need to log into the application using Wipro Smart Home account credentials. If you are a new user, you can first register to the application and then use those credentials to log in. Since I am a new user and I don't have Wipro Smart Home credentials, I'll first register and then log into the application using those credentials. Once the app is installed, open it and you will be landed on the login or sign up screen. For the first time users, click on sign up to register your email address. Accept the privacy policy and move forward. Select the country of the origin first and then enter the valid email address details to get registered. Since I am residing in India, I selected India, and in the email address field I am giving my valid email address. Once you fill all the details, click on next button to receive OTP to your email to verify that it is a genuine email address. You'll receive the OTP into your email address, copy the OTP received and fill the OTP in the box given. So I am entering my OTP here, and once you enter your OTP, you will be landed on a password screen to set a new password for your account. So please set a strong password which you can remember following the guidelines mentioned. After giving the password, click on Done button to move forward. This app will now do some internal stuff and then take you to the home screen where you can add smart devices that you own. It will take some time for the first time setup. So once all the internal setup is done, we will be landed on the home screen and there will not be any devices as I am a new user. So what we need to do here is let's start adding a device by clicking on Add New Device button. So once you click on Add New Device button, a lot of options will be shown here. So among these options, choose the light source Wi-Fi, as we are trying to connect a Wi-Fi light source. At this step, you need to connect your Wi-Fi connection, which is absolutely needed. The app will automatically show your Wi-Fi connection. So Hare Krishna is my Wi-Fi connection. Enter your Wi-Fi password exactly and click on next to move forward. Here I am entering my Wi-Fi password and connect it. If your Wi-Fi password is correct, you will be moved to a screen which asks you to reset the bulb for further proceedings. The device is confirmed as reset only when the bulb glows rapidly as shown in the image when you switch on the power source for the bulb. So it's time to switch on the bulb and get our hands dirty. Let me switch on the bulb. So once the power source is on, the bulb is not glowing as shown in the figure, which says the bulb is not reset correctly. It is just glowing like a normal bulb. So to reset it, we need to switch on and off the bulb 3 times and then switch on it again to glow it rapidly. So let's try this out. On and off again, and on and off for the final time. Okay, the 3 times trick is done, and let's switch on the bulb and see how it blinks rapidly. As you can see, the bulb is blinking rapidly, which means it is perfectly reset. So keeping in mind that it should blink rapidly and not slowly. So once it is done, tick the checkbox saying the bulb is glowing rapidly and click on next. Once you click on next, the application will try to connect to the bulb, configure it and make it ready for you to use through the mobile application, which takes some time based on the different factors. Once the whole process is done, you will see a success message saying the device has been added successfully. So once you see that particular message, just click on done to complete the process. Okay, I see the message saying it is successfully and I'll click on done to move forward. Once you click on done, you will be landed on the home screen, or you will be landed on the Wipro bulb screen there. Here I directly landed on the Wipro bulb home screen where I have different options in front of me to choose from. First and foremost thing is to switch on and switch off the bulb. We have the power button at the bottom. Click on it once to switch it off and again to switch on it again. I'll just click on it and the bulb will switch on again. Above this power button, there is a brightness slider to adjust the brightness of the bulb. Currently it is set to 100%, which is the maximum limit. Let's slide it to the left to see the bulb glow with lesser brightness, and 1% the bulb glows at the lowest brightness levels. Above the brightness slider, there is one more ring kind of structure used to adjust the temperature color of the bulb. If you turn it to the right, the light will glow cooler, and if you turn it to the left, the warmth of the light increases. One thing I observed here is the low latency. So as soon as I perform an operation in the application, it is instantly reflected on the bulb, which is very nice. On the right bottom corner, there is a button saying schedule, which is used to configure the bulb for scheduling. You can use this to schedule the bulb glow at times similarly you do in the case of an alarm. Now let's come to the fun part where we can change the color of the bulb. By default it is in the white color, and change the color of the bulb, move to the colors tab where you will have multiple colors to choose from. Wipro claims that you can choose from around 16 million color shades, which is huge. There is also an option of choosing from different colors using a ring kind of structure, and below that we also has the option of increasing or decreasing the brightness and contrast. You can also put this bulb in different modes depending upon your requirement or mood. There are several scenic options like read, work, random, etc. Depending upon your requirement, you can set the scene of the bulb and enjoy happily. To select a scene, just choose from the given options and click on it to activate the scene. To remove the scene and get back to the normal mode, just switch back to the white mode. So that's all pretty much about the options present in this bulb, where you can control it using the mobile application. You can connect any number of smart devices to this application provided if you have multiple smart bulbs at your home, and easily access them and operate them from one single place. So that's all for today guys, and please comment your thoughts about this small bulb in the comment section below. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to Ruthi Studios and hit the bell icon to get the latest video updates. Bye bye.